Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you that how you can solve fix the downloading pending option on Google Play Store. So without wasting time, let's start. So if you are facing the problem download pending option, it is easy to fix this. If this option is showing, so first of all go to settings, then you need to find the application manager. My phone is Oppo, so I have Oppo app management. In other Oppo devices, application manager was in the additional settings, so go back and find this application manager, and now we click on all and find here Google Play Store. Now force stop it and then clear data. So after this, restart your phone and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. It will be solved. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.